Welcome to another episode of Junkyard Coyote Rebuild. What have I gotten myself into? Alright, so I am utilizing the phaser is just the bolts are threaded on into the cam and the secondary chain's there. So that way when I move one, I'm moving both, if that makes sense. My phasers have not been torqued to spec. They'll actually come back off here. I killed a video for that. Just make sure your castings are really clean, no debris or anything like that. And use a gracious plenty of assembly lube. And here I'm about to install the phasers. I'll show you that in a second. Your intake phaser, double links, double colored links there, time and mark. Your exhaust phaser, single mark, single colored chain. So I fight this a little bit here. That's why it's sped up. Basically what I'm trying to do is sync the cams so that I'm not depressing a valve, but so that they also line up so that when I put the main chain on, everything lines up. So I do that before I ever put on the main chain. More assembly lube. The heads are the last thing to get oil on startup. So, and I'm running a thicker oil. I believe it's 1040 or 1030, something like that. It's got a lot of zinc in it, but it's a little thicker on cold starts. So yeah, just getting the main cap started. Yes, that's John. No, it doesn't scratch it too bad.